Tonight we're gonna make some oyster pasta with mushrooms. My family's inside. They hung over from the ball last night. I'm gonna see if I can cook them something to change their life. All right, I'm gonna go in with my bacon. Let's go in with our onions. I only use half an onion on this. Let's go in with our garlic. Let's go in with some white wine. My bacon chopped up. My mushrooms. All right, we're going with our heavy whipping cream. Let's go ahead and season this with some pepper, salt, some cayenne, a little slap your mama, and a little Louisiana hot sauce. All right, I'll let this cook for about 10 minutes with our seasonings in it. Let's go ahead and add our oysters. Just about cooked, as you can see right there. We'll go ahead and put some shaved Parmesan. All right, we're almost done. We're going with our parsley. All right, we got everything ready. Smells amazing. Let's give it a shot. This will definitely cure that hangover, and it will change your life.